Hello guys, today I want to update this exercise with the book Beginning with Code Aster by Jean-Pierre Aubry. So the first chapter is about okay, so let's start actually with number 3. So we are going to draw and mesh a simple frame. So here the author explained how to mesh with Gmesh module. So there we have the code to actually mesh and create the frame, but what I want to do here is to do it using geometry module of Salome Mecha. So here I have Salome Mecha we have here. Now let's open geometry. What we have to create now are the different points, which conforms the frame. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 points. So here in geometry we click here in create a point, or in new entity basic points. So it's vertex 1, which is 0x 0y minus 1100. Let's click and apply. The next one is 0, 0, 0. Apply. Next is 0, 500. So actually 500, 0, 0. Apply. Next we have 1000. No, it's I think 1000. So it's here. Yes, 1000. Click in apply. Next we have 1500, 2000, finally 2000, 0 minus 1100. So apply and close. We have now created our points. Let me zoom out. So we are going to unite them with lines. Click here in create line. So I will select here point, first point, the second point, apply, and next we have actually selected here point 1. Just click in point 2 or vertex 3, apply, 4, apply, 5, 6, 7. Right. Now we have to create the different groups, but first we have to tell geometry that this is actually just one body or one structure. So I will select everything and make compound. Let me call it frame, apply and close. Alright, now we can create the groups here. So click here, frame, right click, create group, and then we have to create this group, which this I will select and shift this, also this and this. And this is called top beam. Apply. Those two are MST. Apply. We also have here ground S click in this node or this vertex. Actually it's not a node, it's a vertex, so this is load S add apply, and finally this is a mass and apply and close. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups created. Save. Call this frame. Okay, now let's go to mesh.